On today's Todd vlog, we've got a dirty dump truck, a dirty Ram, and a very dirty big orange tractor. So we're going to drag the green bean pressure washer out that one of our viewers sent us. Thank you. And we're going to blow all this grit, dirt, and green stuff growing on the tractor off of it. Easy day. They get the air out of the system. This thing has just enough pressure to where it wouldn't peel labels off or anything. It does really good at beating dirt off of here. Get that air out of the system. Air looking good going down the road. For not using any soap, that little green bean blasts the excess dirt off really well. Personally, I don't really see the point in giving it a really good scrubbing when I know we're going to be back up on a land clearing job this week, pulling wood out and dirt falling all over the place, possibly wood chippers. So we'll just blow the excess dirt off so she looks good from about 50 feet away. Clean the engine compartment out pretty good. Let's get the tractor pulled up here. And of course I'm going to wash the other side of him, but there's no point in really videoing that too. I really just want to knock the biggest bulk of the grit, and you can see it gets just a coating of grime on it from sitting. Clean the wheels off. I want this guy shining on the trailer going down the road, because people, if they see you got clean equipment, nice equipment, they tend to believe that you do nicer work, you do cleaner work. So let's spray this thing off, see how good we can get it looking. Well, I got a little overzealous. Blew that one right off. That's all right. It'll run just as good without the decal. I'd say the little green bean did a pretty good job. Of course, everything looks cleaner when it's slightly damp. Kubota tends to fade out, but without that layer of grit on him, it'll look a lot better going down the road. This is drying off so you can see that this is no soap, just pressure washing. Let's move on to the Ram. Just mud from going up all these bad driveways people have us come and look at. Nothing major. Let's hose him off. Alrighty folks, that cleans the ram up. Again, no soap, just pressure washing with the green bean today. Got him cleaned up. Got that one cleaned up. And of course I had to play in the dirt a little bit as soon as I got the tractor clean. Had to knock down my dirt piles. Miss Kelly didn't think the neighbors would like them. So there you go. Got some wood chips. That's a hint for you for what we've got going on in a future video. Just to give you guys a sneak peek. You guys have already seen this guy, but you can see that. What is that? What could that be? No suspense here. That's our 36-inch bar that we're gonna put on this. I'm gonna order a wrap handle and some dual felling dogs. I'm gonna order the ones that are a lot more aggressive. Make felling larger trees a lot easier. There you go. You guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and this concludes the Todd vlog. Check out our merchandise store in the description, and 3 easy things: like, comment, subscribe, support this little hillbilly. Thanks guys for joining me. We'll see y'all next time.